was doing good. Niggas switch up, then get hit with the big gun. Cry foul, wrong play, but which one? Listen, no talk when I speak. That third floor flow I let go on Avenue D. Niggas caught cases over dope sales. Short packages turned to murder and no bail. So the judge plead the fifth, no jail. Had a broad short stay at a hotel. Just waiting to lay up somewhere in Queens. Type of chick catch you sleep, wet you with gasoline. Beauty is a bitch when that look can kill. Niggas wanna ride the wave but can't fit the bill. Clout chase on the gram, shit not for meal. I'm a different kind of cloth underneath the steel. Different kind of talk, plus I walk with a bop. Opposites do attract, but me and you not. You was raised in the studio, I was raised on the block. How to scramble, make bread, stay away from the ops. Had a list of fly broads that give good top. Found wifey out in Queens, all that shit had to stop. To whom or what? My word bond regardless. Niggas catch feelings, that's not my problem. See, a lot of you niggas was raised too quick. No manners for your elders screaming.
Suck my dick.
Turn around, catch a fade, you little fucking kid. Ready to raise a gun but can't aim and hit. Innocent child gone from the shit you did. Running for your life, I should flip your wig or smack you in the head like my brother of yours. Show you some potential, open up them doors. Fuck all that friendship, there's no love lost. I peep the indirect, leave you hanging on a cross.
No talk.
Yeah, that's it. I was doing good.